Hi guys, in today's video we're going to be taking a look at a pair of dual driver wired earbuds from Razer, the Razer Hammerhead Duo. Let's start with a look inside the box. The packaging is a simple book style case with a flap on the left and some text about the earbuds. Under the flap is a user manual and the obligatory Razer sticker for you to attach to your PC. On the other side is where you'll find the earbuds themselves, packed inside foam. They come with medium-sized silicone earpieces pre-installed, and Razer have included a small bag containing additional small and large earpieces. That's all that's included in the box. I would have liked Razer to have included a carrying case. In fact, the Nintendo Switch branded Hammerhead Duo does come with a carrying case, so I'm not sure why these don't. The first thing that strikes me about these earbuds is the build quality. They feel very sturdy thanks to the metal construction, which also makes them pretty heavy in comparison to others. The aluminium frame has a matte black finish with the familiar green Razer logo on the outside, for a sleek, polished look. The next thing that caught my attention is the braided cable, which feels very strong. However, it changes to a more standard rubber or silicone coated cable after the part where the left and right channels separate. Midway up the cable to the right earbud are the inline controls. Also made from aluminium, there are 3 buttons for volume up and down and play or pause, or hold if you're on a call. On the back is a small pinhole microphone which records pretty good quality audio, although it is quite prone to popping from plosives when you get too close. I'm recording this audio now using the built-in microphone to give you an idea of how it sounds. The connector is a standard 3.5mm TRRS audio jack, so if you're looking to use them on a device with only USB Type-C or Lightning ports, you'll need to buy an appropriate adapter. The main strength of these earbuds, which sets them apart from most others, is the dual drivers. Most earbuds depend on a single driver for producing the entire range of bass, mids and treble, while the 2 separate drivers in the Hammerhead Duo allows them better ability to separate deep bass sounds from the mid and high frequencies, delivering stronger, fuller bass and better clarity from the highs. This being Razer, these earbuds are clearly targeted towards gamers, and as a gaming headset they work very well, but they're also ideal for anyone looking for a high quality pair of wired earbuds for listening to music or consuming content. The build quality is excellent, the aluminium frames feel like they take a lot of abuse, and the sound is rich and detailed with no distortion even at very high volumes. For the price, which is around $60 at the time of making this video, the Hammerhead Duo offers great performance and comes highly recommended. In fact, I'd go as far to say that these are some of the best earbuds I've ever used. That's it for this video, thanks for watching.